Hello, viewers. Welcome to the class for today. Today, we're looking at the concept of probability. You can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
So, he says a restaurant offers the following options: starter course, soup or salad; main course, chicken, fish, or vegetarian. So, here, two options. Here, three options. And the last one is dessert. That's ice cream or cake. Here, two options. So to get the number of ways they could be combined, it will be two for the first one times three for the second one times two for the other one. So two times three is six, and six times two will give me 12 combinations, 12 ways. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's so how many? Okay, number eight says there are 18 girls and 12 boys in the class. Two over nine of the girls and one quarter of the boys walk to school. One of the students who walks to school is chosen at random. Find the probability that this student is a boy. Okay, let me see what I can do here. So we need some 18 girls and 12 boys in a class. If a boy if a student was chosen at random and there's no condition that he walks to school, probability that the student is a boy will be 12 over 30. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And the probability that it's a girl will be 18 over 30. So 2 over 9 of the girls and one quarter of the boys walk to school. Now, the question is, what is one quarter of the boys? Because we are looking for the probability of, that selecting a boy who walk to school. One of the students who walks to school was selected and find probably that's a boy. So in that regard, we have the required outcome is one quarter of the boys. Okay, probability of a boy, you know, who walks to school. That'll be the one over four of the boys over the total population. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Over the total population. So since the boy is being the student is being selected from the whole class, so consider total population. And probably there is a boy, and not just from all the boys. Now it has been streamlined to those who walk to school. So one quarter of 12 is 3 over 30, and that'll be 1 over 10. Exactly.
Yes.
And then I think you got this, but you didn't simplify it to 1 over 10, right? This time you should simplify your work. Now, did you get the first one anyway? No, you didn't get the first one. Okay. So the last part of the question says Rachel flips a buyer's coin. The probability that she gets two heads is 0.16. What is the probability that she gets two tails? Well, what we need to know here is we've been given the probability of getting two heads to be what? 0.16. Then we need to know the probability of getting a single head, one head. Probability of getting two heads is the same as probability of one head times probability of one head. So that means the probability of a head square equal to 0.16. So to find the probability of getting a head, that will be square root of 0.16. And do you know how to find the square root of 0.16 without using a calculator? What did you say?
No.
Okay, watch it so that when you encounter such situation, you know what to do. 0.16, we're lucky to have a number that can be, that can find the square root. I mean, perfect square, yeah. So you say 16 over 100. You say what? You're not responding.
Over 100.
So that'll be what? I mean, 4 over
4
10.
over 25.
No. Square root of this is 4. And square root of this is 10, right?
Yes.
So that means the square root of this is 0.4, okay?
Okay.
0.4. So if the probability of head equals 0.4, then the probability of tail would be 1 minus 0.4. Is that correct? Because there are only two options. Do you understand this statement? Probability of head must be equal to 1 minus probability. I mean, probability of tail must be equal to 1 minus probability of head, right? Because
Yes.
because probability of head plus probability of tail must be 1. Okay.
Okay.
Now, it said probability that she get two tails. That's what the question asks you to find. Probability that she get what? She gets what? Two tails.
Um,
So probability of two tails will be 0. What is 1 minus 0.4?
um, 1 man.
Yes.
I don't know.
You should subtract. Look at 1.0, What's the answer? 0.6, right?
Yes.
So that will be 0.6 times 0.6, which is 6 over 10 times 6 over 10, which is 36 over what? 100.
Yeah.
So the answer is 0.36. Exactly.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Um, put down the correction to the first one, then I'll move it to the third one.
Okay.
All right, viewers. Could continue shortly. Um, I noticed the second question. This 1 over 10 will be correct only if there was no condition. And I underlined the condition, but I forgot anyway. One of the students, not just one of the students chosen at random, but one of the students who walk to school. The question is how many students walk to school? That is the possible outcomes. They don't want to choose from the student who doesn't walk to school. So we don't have to use over 30, okay? Exactly. We're choosing at random. Do you get what I'm explaining? We want to choose a student at random, not from the entire class, but from the students who walk to school. Can you hear me? You are muted.
I didn't admit it.
Okay. I mean, do you get what I'm trying to explain? One of the students who walks to school. So the possible outcome will be those who walk to school. Now the required outcome will be a boy who walked to school. Not just one of the students was chosen at random, but also so the total boys who walk to school will be three out of the 12. Three boys walk to school. You understand me?
Yes.
Three boys walks to school. But then, how many total students, both boys and girls, walk to school? So we need to know the number of girls that walk to school and add it to three under this place because three boys walk to school. So that would be 9, 2 over 9 of 18. And what is 2 over 9 of 18? 9 divided 18, that's 2. So that would be 4 students. That means the answer will be 3 over 7. Okay?
Okay.
So that means you're taking down the 3 corrections. So take note of the first one, then I'll move it down. All right. We'll continue shortly. All right. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Do you understand the first question?
Yes.
Explain it to me.
Hmm?
Explain it to me.
So the schools that has three names and two desserts. They multiply them together and give you 12.
I'm only asking why do we need to multiply them together? Or if we don't multiply, is there any other way we can do this?
You will just do different combinations.
Oh yeah,
You get 12.
let's look at it together. How? Give me the combinations that are possible.
Food, chicken,
S-
ice
s-
cream.
okay, soup, chicken, ice cream. Uh-huh. Any other combination?
Soup, fish, ice cream.
Soup, fish, ice cream. Any other combination?
Soup, chicken, cake.
Soup, chicken, cake. Okay. For the cake, let me use cake. Any other combination?
Salad, chicken, ice cream.
Salad, chicken, ice cream. Okay. Wait.
Salad,
Salad. For salad, I don't know. Let me use. Uh, I don't want to use C. No S. Salad. Okay. Let me use long S. Salad, chicken, ice cream.
salad, fish, ice cream.
Yes. Yeah, salad. What again? You said salad, chicken, ice cream. This is it here.
Fish, ice cream.
Okay. Salad, fish, ice cream.
Salad, fish, cake.
Salad, fish, cake.
Salad, vegetarian ice cream.
Okay. Salad, vegetarian, ice cream.
Salad, vegetarian cake.
Okay. Wait. salad, vegetarian cake. Hmm.
Soup, vegetarian ice cream.
Soup, vegetarian ice cream. Hmm.
Soup, vegetarian cake.
Soup, vegetarian cake. So this is up to 12, right? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. It's not yet up to 12.
Salad, chicken cake.
Salad, chicken cake. Wait. Where's salad, chicken cake? Okay, we've not picked salad, chicken cake, right? Salad,
Salad, fish cake.
chicken. Salad, chicken cake, right?
Yes.
Chicken cake. And salad, fish cake. We have picked salad, fish cake here.
Oh. Soup, fish cake.
Soup, fish cake. Yeah, that's what is missing. Soup, fish cake. That's 12. And that's what the 12 ways mean. Okay.
Okay.
Now, do you understand the second one? Do you understand the second one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Explain it to me.
We divide. No, we multiply
No,
1/4
don't
boys times 12 boys
don't
class.
tell me what I multiplied only. Tell me where those things came from and what you were looking for.
12 comes from the total amount of boys in the class. The
Okay.
1/4 comes from the number of boys that walk to school.
To school. Okay. So the number of boys that actually walk to school are three, right?
Yes.
Okay. Where did the seven come from?
The 7 comes from the amount of girls and boys that walk to school.
That walk to school. Why didn't you use the total number of boys and girls in the class?
But some of them walk to school.
Yeah. Not all of them walk to school. And what we're looking is probability of selecting a boy from among the students who walk to school. Okay, explain the third one. Yeah, explain the third one.
I didn't understand that third one.
You don't understand the third one, right?
Mm.
Okay. It says flip Rachel flips a biased coin. If the coin is not biased, what should be the probability of getting a head? That should be zero point 0.5, right?
Yes.
Then getting a head twice, like getting two heads, okay? That would be zero point 0.5 times zero point 0.5. Is that correct?
Yes.
Probability of two independent events, okay? At least you throw it the first time, the probability of getting a head is zero point 0.5, and you throw it the second time, it's also zero point 0.5. So if you now combine the two events, that will be zero point 0.5 times zero point 0.5. But they said it's biased, so it's never zero point 0.5, okay?
Okay.
So the probability of getting a head is not up to zero point 0.5, but we don't know what it was. But they gave us the probability of getting two heads to be what?
0.16.
0.16. So that means they have multiplied something by itself to give us 0.16, right?
Yes.
So, and what is that thing? That is probability of head times probability of head. That's 0.16. So we need to know that the square of this is 0.16. Then to find this particular stuff, we need to find the square root of this, okay?
Okay.
And because if this happens to be 4, it's 2 times 2 that gives us 4, then the answer would have been 2. But because this is 0.16, then to find the square root, we put square root on top. We were lucky to say, okay, 16 over 100 is the same as 0.16, right?
Yes.
Like you're converting decimal to fraction. So you now say, okay, you can split it under sword. This root will be separated, okay?
Okay.
And this gives me 4, this gives me 10. Then it gives 0.4. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Now, probability of getting head is zero point 0.4. Then the probability of getting tail should be zero point 0.6, don't you think? Because you must add the 2 to give you 1, right?
Yes.
So this is probability of getting one tail. Then we can now say, okay, probability of getting two tails now. That is, this is zero point 0.6 times zero point 0.6, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Then you multiply, that's 6 over 10 times 6 over 10, and that's 36 over 100, which is 0.36 if you convert back to decimal. So do you understand it?
Yes.
All right, that's what we'll be running up for today. Just hold on while I prepare your homework over, okay?
Okay.
All right, viewers, thanks so much for watching. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos. Here, go back to the aspect. We are looking at solving linear equations, and we've looked at some equations that doesn't involve fractions, but now we are looking at those that involve fractions and those that doesn't involve fraction. We look at a couple of them, then we will see. We'll see how it goes as my student joins the class for today. There's a second student there. Just hang on, please. Let's see. How are you today, Israel?
I'm good.
All right. Let me say good evening. Um, did you do your homework?
I wasn't able to do it with this.
Okay. Is it because you did not remember or you don't know it?
No, it's had a bad time.
Okay. Time. Should I give you some time to attempt it?
Yes.
Okay, that'll be like a classwork. But peradventure, if you don't know what to do, you just alert me immediately that, oh, I don't know what to do. So you can try
Okay.
it now as classwork. Or I'm just going to wait for him to finish the whole task here and let's see how far. You two can try it as you watch. Thank you.
Yes.
So let's look at the solutions together. You didn't know the first one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever you see a fraction of something, for example, let us say half of something, 1 over 2 times that thing, that is going to be that thing over 2. And if it is 2 thirds of something, that means 2 times that thing divided by 3. So 9 over 5 of something should be 9 times that thing over 5, but there's negative there. So equal to negative 45. Okay, we can decide to multiply both sides by negative 5. What did I say?
Just divide both sides by -5.
Negative 5. So I'll put negative 5 on both sides, okay?
Okay.
Times negative 5 times negative 5. So what will happen on the left side? Negative 5 will
Uh.
cancel negative 5, okay? So you get 9x
Okay.
equal to negative 45 times negative 5, which will return to positive, right?
Yes.
So 45 times 5, then I will divide by 9. Divide by what?
9.
So 9 will cancel 9. Then x equal to what? 9 here 1,
X
9 here
equals
5. So x equals to 25. Is that clear?
yes.
Okay, now to the second one. I have negative 4x, okay, over
Okay.
9 equal to minus 36. I will follow the same method. I will introduce what? Minus 5 and minus 9 to both sides this time, okay?
Okay.
So what do I do? Times negative 9 times negative 9. So this we cancel this. Negative is gone. Excuse me.
Yes.
9 we cancel 9. Then we have 4x remaining. Positive will come in, negative will cancel negative. So we have 36 times 9, which we can divide by 4, okay?
Okay.
Then x equal to what? 4 here 1, 4 here 9. 9 times 9 is what? 81.
Uh, 87. Oh,
81, okay? 9
okay.
times 9 is what?
81.
81. Okay, let me take this to the next page so we can have a clue of that. So this one says, this is a linear one. So number 3, 4x minus 4 equal to negative 40. So 4x equal to negative 40 plus 4. 4x equal to what? Negative 36.
Negative 40. Wow. Okay.
Negative 36, right?
Yeah.
Divide both side by what?
40x. 44.
4. So what will happen? This cancel. Then what is x? Minus 9.
Uh,
Yeah, you didn't get minus 9. You didn't finish that one. So now the second phase, the next one, number 4. For number 4, you have 9x minus 7 equal to minus 34. So I have 9x equal to negative 34 and positive 7 because 7 comes out and become positive. Then 9x equals, what is minus 34 plus 7?
uh, that's 41.
No way. You just added them. One of them is negative. There are negatives
Negative.
that are,
Negative 41.
no, there are 34 negatives and 7 positives. What do you think? 7 positive will remove 7 of the
Oh,
negatives to neutralize them.
27.
Yeah,
27.
minus 27, right?
Yeah.
Then you now divide 9, you divide by 9. So this cancels. Then we have minus what? 3.
Yeah.
The last question, we have 7y over 8 equal, okay, minus 6 equal to 8. This will go out first. 7y over 8 equal to 8 plus 6. And 8 plus 6 is what? 14. So 7y
14.
over 8 equal to 14. Then you cross multiply. You do what?
Plus multiply.
How do we do that? This multiply this. So 7y times 1, that's 7y. That's 8 times 14. Then I don't need to multiply since I can divide by 7. Divide both sides by what? 7.
7.
7 cancels 7. Then you have y equal to, how many 7 and 14? 2. 7 and 1. So what's 8 times 2? 16.
16.
Okay. I'm going to allow you to put down these solutions, okay? Let me move this one
Okay.
a bit down. So that's, yeah, down a bit. So, okay, put it down. All right, viewers. Thanks so much for watching. We might continue, or we might not. Please subscribe to this channel. Goodbye. Now, can you hear me? Can you hear me? You are muted.
Yes, I can hear you.
So, checking through your note now, I observed that You modeled something here. Number three and number four should not, supposed to be. Are not supposed to be here. Suppose write your number four. Then this one goes to the next page if there's no space under it. Okay.
Okay.
But no worries. Do you understand the first one?
Yes.
Explain it to me.
Okay. The first is d minus negative 5 on both sides, which means minus negative 5 by negative 9x and over 5 and negative 45 that equals to 9x equals, actually, no, 9x equals, 9x over 9 equals 45 times 5 over
Wait,
9.
wait.
Because you divided both sides by 9.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay, yeah, continue.
Then that will equals 25.
How did I get 25 anyway?
At first you divided both sides by 9, then after that you times 4. Actually, no, first you times 45 and 5, then you divided both sides by 9.
What I actually did was I cancelled these nines, okay?
Okay,
9 cancelled 9. The 9 above cancelled the 9 at the bottom. So I have my x here. I did not bother to multiply 45 and 5, okay?
okay.
But can you tell me what I did here that I got this?
Uh, you
Because
time,
literally I was supposed to say 45 times 5. Then I will get an answer. I will now divide my results by 9, right?
yeah.
Uh-huh. But then I didn't do that. So what was the thing I did there?
Look for what? 9 times will equals, you know,
I
hmm,
divided both 9 and 45 by 9. 9 goes here one time. 9 goes in 45 five times. So I had 5 and 5 left, okay?
okay,
That's what gave me 25. Exactly.
yes,
And the second one, what did I do? I multiplied both sides by negative 9. So negative 9 cancel the negative and the 9. Then we have the negative cancelled there after 6 and 9. I divided both side by 4 to remove the 4 beside x. Then x is here. Then 4 here 1, 4 here 9. 9 times 9 gives me 81. Is that clear now?
yes,
So you make sure you study through the whole thing and I'll send you assignment. Okay.
okay,
Goodbye for now.
goodbye.
Okay. Let's see. Alright, viewers. Thanks so much for watching. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos. And that is where we'll get up and saying goodbye for now. See you.